What's up, people? What's going on? This is Caleb Tracks with Urban Culture Views. That's reviews, interviews, anything for the culture, whether it's music, fashion, art, whatever it is. Right now I'm doing a review. 700 Yeezy Boost. Release date was September 15th, 2018. Just got them today. This is the Wednesday after. Check it out. All right, so first hand, we're gonna look at the box. We got the 700. We got the Adidas logo on the back. We got the Yeezy Boost 700 made by Adidas. Same thing on the other side, but we got the sticker. This in particular is size 10. All right, so let's get into what we got inside the box. All right, so this is what we got. Let me get this one out of the way. All right, so we got front. Look from the top. We got side. And then we have medial. That's the medial view. I don't know if you guys can get a good view of that. US size 10 and the little code name of the sneaker. All right. And then we got that regular tag that comes on all the Yeezy Boosts. Let's take a look at some of the specs right now. Where the orange is right here. They're supposed to be reflective. There's definitely reflective. This part right here, there's reflective where the shoestrings go. Two parts. This part right here and this part right here. Also, there's reflective on the side. It's actually 3 stripes. It's right here and right here. Obviously, when I do a flash test, you'll be able to see that. You can't really see it now. One more spot, I believe, unless I looked over something. There's reflective on the back of the shoe, where the little holes are. You got the Boost on the bottom. Press in there, it's pretty soft. Got the Boost on the bottom. You got the, I don't know if you guys can get in there. You got the Adidas logo on the inside, right in there. I've tried these on before, they're pretty comfortable. They're a little tight in the toe box area, and I believe that's because how the shoe is constructed. It slants very sharp at the toe. We got the tumbled leather right here. Right in there. Looks pretty decent quality. Pretty decent. Like I said, very cool shoe. Like, comment, subscribe. Urban Culture Views. This is at Caleb Tracks. Until next time.